Hi guys, my name is Cami Blankman and this is my Module 4 reflection video. So the first question asked to reflect on why is it important for a teacher to have a fundamental knowledge of media technology, resolution, and compression. So I think it's so helpful for a teacher to know just basic knowledge of media technology because it helps with different learning strategies. I mean, you can use audio, video, photography for many different learning strategies for your students, and this can be valuable to their learning experience. They can learn so much easier or so much better for just having a visual or listening to something so that they can help connect to different things. So I think a basic knowledge of media technology can help with so many different learning strategies for your students in and outside the classroom. Using resolution, this is your pixels and colors. So basically, if you're using a picture and your resolution isn't high enough, that can make it not clear enough, and therefore it's hard to see. So your students can have a hard time seeing your pictures that you created or you have used. So you want to make sure you have a good resolution for your pictures and stuff. And compression, this you can send files easily. So if you have a basic knowledge of compressing files and all that other stuff, then you can basically send files easy to others, teachers or to your students. So this can just make your working environment a lot easier for both you and your students. For the second question, it asked, describe working your experience working with Prezi. So I have actually used Prezi in the past, though I haven't used it in a couple years. I mostly used it in high school, and I haven't had any challenges with it at all. It's very simple and easy to use. So I haven't had any challenges with it. But one thing I dislike about it is, it's hard to say. I don't really have anything that I don't like about it. I just like how you can go from one path to another, and it's just another form of PowerPoint, and it makes it a different visual for your student or for someone to look at. Oh, I do know one thing I don't like about it is the images, so it's hard to kind of create an image or a shape. Like I was putting an arrow into my Prezi about different Web 2.0 technologies, and it was kind of difficult for me to do or to even find. So that was one thing I did not like about it, though. But the rest I do like about it. Compared to using PowerPoint, I think PowerPoint has a lot more options to use and a lot more different things you can add to it, like shapes and pictures and videos. I just think PowerPoint is more technology advanced than Prezi, but that's just me. Number 3, describe your experience working with Screencast-O-Matic. So this was my first time using this application. I've never used it before, and it was actually pretty easy to use. I did watch tutorials on how to do it before I did it, but very simple to download. And then I created an Excel tutorial for like 6th grade students to use to sum up some numbers, or so you just hold it over the part you want to record and you hit record, and your voice can record, or you can have a video with it, and then you can either upload it to YouTube or save it. Super simple. So I thought it was very easy to use and very helpful to use. Did you have any challenges working with it? The most challenge I had working with it was getting it to download to YouTube. It kind of took a while to download to YouTube. I wasn't sure if I was doing it correctly, but that was the only challenge I had working with it. What are some different ways that you could see yourself using screen captures in the future as a teacher? So I can see myself using this a lot. If I was teaching older kids, basically like how I did for Excel and different other web applications, or what I want them to do in the future. So I can kind of see myself using Excel if I was teaching an older group of kids versus a younger group of kids. And this is my Module 4 reflection video.